Well, while we're on clocks, I thought I might as well do this one as well. This is another cool clock. Well, I think it's cool at least. It's display is really awesome. It reminds me of like a car dashboard in one of the old sort of 70s style cars. It's really odd for a clock. It is all mechanical, so no batteries or wires required in this one, which implies that it's the old wind-up. I mean, this has also got a bit of weight in it as well. If I get a bit of a close-up of the, I guess you call it a dash of the clock face, you can see it's quite a nice design. Looks like it'll glow in the dark. Actually, we'll just give that a test. I thought I'd shine a bit of UV light onto it. It's kind of interesting how the camera sees a nice pink colour, but I see a nice glowing grey colour. Actually, if I move that away a bit, there we go. We should be able to see. Well, the clock was a lot easier to find. Pretty much our first search came up on an eBay listing for it. Though, however, I do like the description that they use here with the vintage Shanghai China diamond space age alarm clock. Doesn't that sound much better? Notice another clock hiding behind here, and that actually has the same, oh dear, the same diamond logo on it, so obviously the same manufacturer. I had a quick look for that clock. I couldn't find an exact match. This one was very close, but not the same. But look at that for a cool clock. Actually, when the alarm must go off, it must move this trigger here, switch on the light. It's pretty cool. Market find.